Let's take a look at the apps one after the other. First, let's note that you can even customize your workspace. You can come here and click on customize Chrome. You can decide, look at the background now. I chose this background. I can decide that I want it to be like this. I can decide to change it to this. Then you can change you can even upload something as the background. You can make a design and upload it. If you want to do that, you can click on device, and then you can if you want the dark mode. I mostly use dark mode for on all my devices. I love to use dark mode. I don't use the light mode at all. So now let's look at the next one, Google search. This is what the Google search is. I believe everyone knows how to use Google by now in this time and age. So that is Google search. Then we have the Google Maps. Actually, not everyone knows how to use Google search. I did not know how to use Google map till I left Nigeria. When I was in Nigeria, I had no cause to use Google Map. I know that there are a lot of people in Nigeria who use Google app, but I never had the opportunity to use it. It was when I left Nigeria that I learned how to use it, because you just have to know how to use it or else you will just find yourself in the midst of nowhere. So this is the Google map. This is what the Google map look like. Now the next app is YouTube. We are on YouTube. So this is YouTube. This is what YouTube also looks like. I don't need to explain that one again. Now this is the AI tool. I did not sign in here. So if you want to chat with AI, if you click chat with it now, it will ask you to sign up and all. Here we also have the news, the Google News. When you click on the news now, it will bring different news for you, top stories, current stories and everything. That's for the Google News. Now let's go to the next one, which is the Gmail. This is what the Gmail looks like, and you can also organize your Gmail. If you look at this Gmail now, you will see that I have 9 inbox. You can organize your Gmail in such a way that you will have 0 inbox, but it will sort out the necessary email that is coming into your account. It will sort them out from the unnecessary ones. You can decide to make some promotion. For example, all these ones that are in my inbox now, they are not supposed to be in my inbox because they are promotions, but because I did not edit this, I did not work on it, because I hardly use this Gmail account. So that is why they are here. If I open my other Gmail for you, you will see how neat my inbox is. Let me show you what my main Gmail inbox looks like. You can see this is my inbox. I have 0 inbox because I have sorted them out. I have filtered them. So if you need help, if you want me to show you how to filter your inbox so that you will not have unnecessary email in your inbox, then let me know in the comment, then I will make a video on it. You can see these are promotions. It will sort out the promotions from the socials. Here you will find LinkedIn, YouTube, every other social. And now I have a new update. Now if I click this one now, I will be able to see my update. So let's go to the next app, which is the Google Meet. On Google Meet works just like Zoom. You can hold a meeting on Google Meet, you can hold a class on Google Meet, you can hold live session or anything on Google Meet. It is used for video calls. So video calls and meeting for everyone. If you want to create a meeting now, all you have to do is just click new meeting. If you want to create for later, or you want to start the meeting instantly, or you want to schedule in calendar, you just this is the link that you have to share with people for them to join your meeting. Now if I should go to my other Gmail now, if I should go to my other Chrome now and go and paste that link, it will open the meeting. Now I have pasted the Google Meet link that I created from that Gmail in another Gmail account, and this is what it looks like. So so if when it is time to join the meeting now, if I join from that other Gmail, then I will be able to connect, and both persons will be able to, both accounts you'll be able to connect. So that is how to have a meeting, coordinate a meeting on Google Meet. Then the next thing is the Google Chat. This one is just like WhatsApp, but these days we are just so used to WhatsApp. It is so convenient to use. So welcome, ready, set, chat. Let's jump right into things. So this one is used for chat. I have not used it before. I have no cost to use it. Then we have the contact, and then we have the Google Drive. Yes, Google Drive is another one. This is like a storage where you can save documents, you can save your work, you can upload video. I have used this account to prepare a course before. So once you have a course, you can see I have 10.95 gigabyte. I have used 10.95 gigabytes out of 15 gigabytes because I have a lot of video. I have video courses on this Google Drive. So you can create videos, you can create a course, you can save pictures, you can save anything on your Google Drive. It is just like OneDrive, but this one is Google Drive. So now you can, even when you even create your Google form, it will save your Google form, your Google documents, everything will be saving up in your Google Drive where you can open them. If I click on Google Forms now, I have arranged it because I like to arrange my work. You will see back here, these were the are the forms that I have created on this Google account. So this is another, you will just see a whole lot of things there that you can save on your Google Drive. Now you can share your work, you can share any project from Google Drive with anyone, and you can grant access however you want, maybe for the person to just to view it, or the person to be able to edit, or for the person to, or you just want it to be only you that will be able to access the work. Now let me show you an example of one. Let me open this one now. Let me open this mathematics. Now let me go to, if I want to share, you click on share here. If when you click on share, you can copy the link, then it will, then there you can also go to you can see when I click share copy link, it's the question is, people, who do I want to share this with? People with access. I am the only one that can access this folder, this file right now. So now, for now, it is restricted. Only people can access, can open with the link. So if I want to change the restriction, I can say, okay, anyone with the link. If I want anyone with the link to access this document now, if I send the link now, anyone with the link will only be able to view. If I want someone with the link to be able to comment, I will change this one to commenter. If I want the person to be able to edit, I will change it to editor. So that is how to share on Google Drive. If you also want me to show you how to create courses or do every other thing on Google Drive, let me know in the comment section, then I will do that also. We also have the Google Calendar. When you come to the Google Calendar, here you can keep record of things. You can set up your calendar. Maybe you have anything you want to do, you want to add notes, you want to create a meeting, you want to set a reminder, you want to do anything, create an event or everything, you can do it in your Google Calendar. You can do it in your Google Calendar. You can create tasks and you can do every other thing in your Google Calendar. Now the next thing that we'll be looking at, the next app that we'll be looking at is the Google Play. Google Play is just like Play Store. Is our Play Store where you download different apps. All these things are also on the phone, mind by the way. Then we have the Google Translate. This one has become my everyday tool. Let's say I want to ask something now. I want to translate from English to Polish. You just choose the language of choice here, choose Polish, then you can type here. So if you want to ask anything, what are you doing? It will just bring it for you. It will bring the meaning for you. So sometimes when I'm chatting with a Polish person, I will just type like this, then I will just copy and then go and drop it in the chat so the person can read and reply. When the person replies, I'll copy the person's reply. I'll change this one to Polish. I'll just click on this to switch from Polish to English, paste the design, the response here, and then it will bring out the translation for me. So that is how Google Translate works. The next app is the photos. This is where you save up your photos. I don't have any photos saved here. I did not save any photo here. So this is where you save up your photos for, you want to see the photos, you want to continue to see them forever and ever. In years to come, you will be able to access them. Now let's go to Google Docs. Google Docs is just like MS Word. You can create a course. In fact, you can write a complete book on Google Docs. Now, these ones that I have here, they are just things that I jotted down. Let me open this one for you. I am working on this one, so I'm still working on this book. You can see the title, more like a chapter. This is like a chapter. You can see how neat it is. So you can write a whole book on this one. Let me show you a book that I have completed, a whole book that I have completed on my other Gmail account. Look at this. These are the books that I have written using just Google Doc. Now, let me open this one. This is my first book, the first book that I ever wrote. After making the design of the cover in Canva, I brought it here. You can paste images here. You can paste images here. So this is the front, the first page of the book, more like the cover page, the inner cover page, and then this is the front page. This is the book. You can see, you can so design the book, you can format the book. This is the copyright page, this is the dedication page, this is the acknowledgement page. You can even add link to it. If I click on this now, it will lead to the person's LinkedIn because I attached link to it. You can attach link to it. If I click on this one now, it will lead to my Gmail account, to my Gmail. Maybe I want to send a Gmail. This is are the reviews that I got on the book. This is the table of contents. You can make a table of contents without having to type out chapter 1 and then be doing like this. No, it will make your work rough. You can create a table of content in a very neat and easy way using Google Doc. So that if I click on this one now, it will lead to chapter 4 straight up. And you can even see the highlights on the left hand side here. So I would like to go back to table of contents. And this is the introduction of the book, the chapter 1. Very neat, well arranged. It has page number, it has the sides, very neat and everything. So you can write a complete book. If you look at this book now, it has 57 pages. So even at the end, you will see the conclusion, and then the final words, and then about the author. You can even wrap text around images, all in Google Docs. So if you need me, if you want to know more about how to write a complete book using Google Docs, let me know in the comments and I will make a complete video, a video for you on how to write a book from start to finish using Google Docs. So now let's go and check out the next app. The next app that we'll be looking at is the Google Sheets. This one is just like Excel, Microsoft Excel. So the Google Sheets now, you can create, if you create a Google form, you can open your form in Google Sheets. When we get to Google form, I will show you what I mean. This is a Google Sheet. So this one is just a form that I created. Aside from the form, I did not have, you can see responses. I don't have any, I don't think I created any. I use this one. Okay, I use this briefly for something to mark attendance of the students that did the assignment. When I gave them assignments, those that submitted their assignments. So I use the Google Sheet to write down their name, so that I can know the date they submitted and everything about that. So this is just like Microsoft Excel. That's what the Google Sheet is for. And everything you do on these apps will be saved in your Google Drive. You will see every one of them in your Google Drive. So the next thing we'll be looking at, this slide is just like PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. I've not designed anything here before. If you want to design anything, you can click blank presentation, or you can use format. If you want templates, you can click on any of these templates. If you need video, if you need a more explanatory video on any of these apps, just let me know in the comment section and I promise to deliver. anyone you say I should work on, I will definitely work on it. Then we have more. I've not used these books before, so we have a whole lot of other apps here. Then let me see which other one would I like to talk about now. Let's go to Google Form. Let's go to Google Form. Where is our Google Form? This is Google Form. So Google Form, I have a lot of forms here that I created. This one is design brief in the sense that I send it to prospective clients for them to fill. So I go through it. After going through their responses, then I'll reach out to them, then we discuss. Then I would have known what they want without having to go on a call, without having to waste their time hearing back from me or chatting with them and they not replying. They would have given the detail of what they need in that Google form. And then this one is book cover design services. This one is feedback form. So you can create anything. Once all you have to just do is click on blank form, or you can use templates. Maybe you want to organize an event and this is what it will look like. You can design it. If you look at this one now, when I clicked on blank, this is what it brought. But let me open the one of the ones that I designed for you. You can see that I edited them. I used my brand color, which is orange and brown. I use my brand color to design it. I designed this one in Canva, and then I uploaded it. So when I make a video on Google Form, I will show you how to do this one. And then you put your questions. You can even add your link. You can make any question required. If I click on required, that means you have to answer that question, or else they will not be able to submit the document. So that is that about Google Form. And then the Google Workspace, there is a lot of things that you can do on the Google Workspace, on the Google apps. A whole lot of apps here. I use the Google Docs, I use Google Form, I use Google Drive, I use Gmail, I use Gmail, I use YouTube. I don't really use Gemini more these days. I use Google Search, I use Maps, I use Google Translate. I don't use Google Calendar. So I don't use Google Photos, so I don't know why. I think I need to start using it. I use a lot of this app, and they are day-to-day apps that you will need. Like, you will need them, and everything you do will be saved up in your Google Drive. Although for the free version, we have just 15 gigabytes of storage, but if you want more, then you can get more storage by subscribing or by upgrading. This one is the current plan that I have, that is 15 gigabytes. It is free. So for monthly, they are even telling me to start trial. This one is 8.99 zloty per month. That's the money we spend in Poland. It will show in naira. If you are in naira in Nigeria, it will show in your currency wherever you are located. So then you can choose any one that you want. You can buy for annual or for a month, depending on what you want. So that is just the summary of the Google Workspace. If you need me to explain in details any of the apps, let me know in the comment section and I will bring it to you. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss out when I upload any more videos. See you in the next video.